Hey guys, I'm going to share with you our third book, which is Let's Talk Numbers. And very quickly, I'm going to go inside and I'm going to show you what all we are doing, and it's going to be super fun. So let's get going. Okay, my first activity is picture addition. So what I've done here, I've written 7 plus 3, and there are 7 balls in yellow and 3 balls in red. So Vivan needs to count altogether the number of balls, and he needs to write here. It's the same thing here. 9, the fish, the scales are like brown and the 3 are in red, so there is a classification in terms of color for him to just to make it easy and simple for him when he's counting, and just to make it look more attractive for him as well. So this is like 4 plus 4. So these are like, it's a cookie jar, and then you have 4 candies in pink and 4 in green. So you need to add up and you need to write here. And then you have a small seat here where it has 3 legs. So you have 1 plus 2. So that's 1 and plus 2. So that comes up to 3, and that's what you need to write here. Okay, so there's another activity called Make 20. So what I've done, I have just made some dots here. So let's see the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are just 13. Vivan need to make few more to make it 20. It's all the same, and somewhere it's just like 1 less, somewhere it's like 11 less, somewhere it's just like 10 less. So he needs to count, and then he needs to make more to make it a complete 20 number. So that's one. So that was one was addition, then the other one was to make it 20. Now the third activity is he needs to underline all the even numbers here. So he needs to just grab a sketch pen or a pen or a pencil, and he needs to just cut all the even numbers from 1 to 100 at one time. Okay, 7 Smiley needs everything 7. So there are seven smileys here, and there are few things that are just lying here. So he needs to figure it out because all of them need just 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 flowers here. How many do we need more to make it 7? We have 3 emblems here. How many do we need more to make it 7? For 4 owls, for 2 monkeys, and just 1 donut. So he needs to figure that out. To how much will he write here to make all 7? So it's again addition activity, but in a very different way. Okay, this is backward counting. All the numbers are jumbled up, and there is a lift which has to go up on the 10th floor and this one on the 20th floor. But the lift has to go from the first floor to the 10th floor, and the numbers are all jumbled up. So you have to write all the numbers either from this side or from this side, which can go up. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then goes 10. And then it's like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Okay, so this is like somewhere it's like a number before or after or in between. So we have something which is before 15 which is missing. There's something which is in between which is missing here. So this is what Vivan has to fill in, and he needs to complete this activity. Okay, this says add by 2s. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 20, 22, 24, 26. So like this, he needs to count 2s and he needs to finish this whole grid. Okay, then we have greater than and more than. Of course, we are learning the big number and the small ones, and I have just given him a block like with 23 and 26, and I've also made it so that it's just easy for him to make it, because we're still learning how to make a V which looks on the left or on the right. So I have just made the dots, and then he needs to connect, and he needs to just find the right answer, and he needs to write it. These are all very simple activities, guys, and this is something that we have been doing at home, and we have been practicing over and over. And it's the best part, because when you have everything in a book, it's easy for you that during that month or during the week, or like in couple of weeks, you can just revise everything that you've done or you're about to do. So that's why these books come in so handy for me, that anytime when I see that I don't have time or when we are running out of time, or when we have certain things which needs to be finished, these books come in really handy. Okay, now we are moving on to add up to 3 numbers, but still single digit and like double digit, but not carry forward. We haven't started that yet. So I have given like 3 numbers here, and let's see, it's like 2, 3, 4. So he needs to write 4, 2, 4, 5. He needs to write 5, and then 3, 3, and 6 and 7. He needs to write 7. So this is how he needs to finish this activity. Okay, so this is like shapes and figures, and I have created different dots, if you can see, and there is an arrow. So what Vivan has to do, he needs to look at the arrow, he needs to complete the picture by starting and using the pencil from where the arrow is starting. So his first line has to go here, then go down here, then here, and then here. So he needs to complete this picture. So like this, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 different dots which will create 7 different images, and there are different arrows for everyone, so he needs to finish it. It's a great activity, and at the same time he's going to figure it out how to draw lines within the dots and how to follow the arrow. Then I have one activity which is with the ordinal numbers, and I have written like 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th here, and then I have the pictures down here. He needs to tell me where is this dog here. So I have 3 options here, and he needs to find the right one, and he needs to tick it. So this is the 3rd one, so this is 3rd, so this is the right answer. So for the other 2 as well. Now again, this is the counting by 3s, 2, 5, 10 and 4. So yeah, with 3 in this row, he has to count by 3s, here 2s, here 5. I've written 5 here because 0 is something which is going to come up here. I need to tell him. For 5, we'll be doing for 2 blocks like 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yeah. This is counting by 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, that's counting by 4. So guys, we're just like brushing up our numbers, our skills, our counting, and that's where this book comes in handy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you really want me to make another book or on a particular topic, do let me know. To all the people who have not subscribed, please go subscribe my channel, and do let me know how you like the video. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.